to the channel. Before we start, I just wanted to thank every single one of you guys who liked, comment, subscribe on the last video. And if you haven't done so, make sure you do. It will be down below. Now let's get into the video.
Yo, what is going on, guys? How you guys doing? Today we have something special. We have right here Nike SB Dr. Strangelove and also the Strawberry Coughs, aka the 420 Dunks. Now we're gonna start with the Strawberry Cough SB Dunk. The name behind this sneaker is based on a popular strain of marijuana, for those who are familiar with that lifestyle. Now we have this red upper with the green hairy suede overlay to actually resemble a strawberry, and the strawberry kind of texture is printed all over the sneaker. Right here we have the Nike SB sticker. The bottom of the sneaker we have this translucent sole, which also shows the green and the red. Inside of the sneaker on the thumb we have the stash pocket. I believe that comes with all the 420 sneakers. And the sole, or the insole of the sneaker, has a strawberry. Now here we have the Dr. Strangelove SB Dunk. The colorway for the Dr. Strangelove is soft pink, bright melon, and gem red. Which also has a Dr. Strangelove embroidery skull on the side of the sneaker, similar to the Strawberry Cough. And I've noticed that the low top is actually more padded than Strawberry Coughs for some reason. Now the bottom of the sneaker has heart confetti in blue and red colorway. Both of these sneakers actually comes with 3 pair of laces. The Strawberry Coughs comes with a green pair, a kind of soft red pair or a melon colorway pair, and a red pair. The Nike SB Strawberry Coughs were actually supposed to be released this year on April the 20th, 420. However, due to the Strawberry Cough patch on the side of the sneaker, they decided not to release them based on the whole COVID-19 situation. But now they decided not to release them at all. So the value for these are going up. So they go between they range between $7,000 to $10,000. So in the future, these are gonna be worth a lot more, I think. The Dr. Strangelove comes with a pair of red laces, white laces, and red and white laces. Now these are going to be a grail sneaker for a lot of people. If I can get my hands on one pair, I would definitely cop them. But the price for them right now are crazy, so I don't think I'll be able to get them anytime soon. If the price goes down under $1,000, yeah, I would definitely cop them. Now the Dr. Strangeloves are still available. The price for them are going up. Obviously, they're over $1,000 right now. I think the cheapest price I saw on StockX was $1,200. The quality on them is actually pretty fire. So if you have the money to cop them, I say go for it. If not, don't even waste your time. Anyways, these two dunks were gifted to me by a friend of mine. He's actually a photographer, pretty dope photographer, solid guy. Please give him a follow. You know what I mean? Let him know I sent you. Anyways, he's the one who gifted me those shoes for the review. So there will not be an on foot for this video.